The LegTutor is a wearable movement detection and motion feedback device that can sense knee extension and flexion as well as hip 3-directional movement. The LegTutor is indicated for leg movement dysfunction following neurological or orthopedic injury and disease. The system allows the patient to practice repetitive active exercises in the form of motivating and challenging games. The games are customized to the patient's motor, sensory, and cognitive movement ability, and the patient has the ability to start exercising even with very limited active range of motion. Exercising with the LegTutor can be either open chain or closed chain, as the LegTutor can be used in the lying, sitting, or standing position. The patient can also perform the exercises as assisted active, active, or against gravity, resistance exercise practice. The ability to perform hip extension and flexion in the standing position is an important element in functional walking recovery. Here we see the patient practicing intensive hip extension and flexion according to his movement ability. It is important that rehabilitation teaches the patient to correctly perform hip extension and flexion so as to limit undesirable compensatory hip movement during walking. Here the patient is working on knee extension and flexion at the limit of his extension range of motion. This requires controlled movement ability in order to eliminate snapping and improve control of knee movement. The dedicated rehabilitation games provide the patient with instructions on which movement to perform, and auditory and visual feedback on whether these movements have been performed correctly. This provides the motivation to do intensive active movement exercise practice. The patient can use the LegTutor in the clinic and the home care environment, and the LegTutor system provides objective and quantitative evaluations on the patient's treatment progress. The LegTutor has full FDA and CE registration. The LegTutor is user-friendly, proven and reliable, and is used in many rehabilitation clinics worldwide. Please visit the Meditouch website.